James, I'm your customer. I have 2 cars, but I only have 1 smartphone. How do I count 2 cars by 1 app? Can you help me?
Yes, this is a good question. Okay, let me demo our product function for you.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay. And this is a Cardot app
Okay,
interface.
pretty.
Interface.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. This is 1 car. This is another car.
Okay.
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 And we just have 1 mobile phone. And this is
Yeah, show me.
545.
Okay. This device ID number is same to this mobile phone ID number? Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Please show me functions.
Yes. Check our phone.
Okay, working. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, show me another ID.
Yes.
How do you control another car?
Yes.
Please choose the other ID.
This is another one. 840.
Show me another ID.
Okay.
Show me ID, please. Show me ID, please. GPS ID.
Yeah.
A70 app. Yes, same.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, show me function, please. Please check. Yes,
Okay.
working. Check it again, please. Final. Check it again.
Okay. Good.
Wow, so nice. Wow, this is so good product. I will buy Cardot product. Thank you for your fantastic introduction.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.